Kenya is expected to ship its second batch of crude oil amounting to 500,000 barrels from Turkana by February 2020. This as the state and Tullow Oil, together with its joint partners, seek to raise 217 billion shillings to increase production.
Following the successful sale of the first batch of crude oil, Kenya is looking to export its second batch of 500,000 barrels by February next year. Brian Muriuki, an advisor to the State Department of Petroleum, says the larger consignment of crude will enable the government to fetch a premium price for the sale.
As has been mentioned before, the current estimates of the total volumes of recoverable oil today are estimated about 560 million barrels of oil. And this phase one, this foundation phase, expects to produce 226 million barrels of that 560 million barrels of oil.
According to Muriuki, the final investment decision by the British oil explorer Tullow remains pegged on a number of factors, including the allocation of land by the National Lands Commission for both drilling of new wells and the construction of the 824-kilometer heated pipeline to the port of Lamu.
Now, if we have issues in terms of land acquisition, it's public knowledge. You've seen that there have been court cases filed by people like Turkana County government, and that is a process that will be followed. But we need to ensure that this is done by and under the law, and legally and properly.
Tullow so far has spent an estimated 227.3 billion shillings in exploration activities to this point. The firm, together with its investment partners and the government of Kenya, now plans to rally 217 billion shillings to boost explorations.
That portion of the project will be equity financed. And what that means is that the three partners, Tullow, Africa Oil, Total, and the government, when exercising its back-end rights, will provide funding for that portion of the project. So roughly circa $2 billion will be equity financed. People reach into their own pockets and provide the funding for the upstream project.
In August, Kenya sold its first batch of oil to trading company ChemChina UK. The 200,000 barrels of oil fetched for 1.2 billion shillings. With the quality of the oil being exported, drawing comparisons from Brent oil, which is the global standard, Kenya is expected to reap massively from the next shipment of 500,000 barrels of oil being shipped out of the country in February next year. Faisal Ahmed, Citizen TV.